Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your earnings on the Spark Driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your earnings on the Spark Driver app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Spark Driver app. Next, click on the bottom middle side where it says earnings. And then right now, this is where you're going to see all your earnings organized by week. So you can change the week in which you're earning, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your earnings on the Spark Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.